Hey, so this is a review of Kylie's 22, obviously named after her 22nd birthday. I am also 22, so that's kind of one of the reasons why I bought it. But I wanted a more subtle red lipstick, which this one is more of like a orangey red, and I thought it looked pretty good with my hair and my skin tone. But anyway, so I bought this one and then the Mary Jo as well, which is a more classic dark red in comparison, which I'll show you if I take it out of the packaging. You can see there's a pretty strong difference there in terms of coloration. But I really like 22. I like it probably more as like a date night or like going to the bar than just like a everyday. But I mean, it's still pretty subtle. It's got some pink undertones, so it's not like in your face red, which I like. All these Kylie lipsticks, if you've never tried it before, they have like a strong vanilla smell, which is really nice. And then these mattes last like pretty much all day long. They're really good in terms of like transfer as far as drinking and eating. But in the times I've been talking, it's already completely dried, and as you can see, it stays pretty well, which there's a little bit of residue, but that's not much. It's just from the edges that weren't completely dry. But overall, I really like this color. It's actually one of my favorites that I've gotten because I usually tend to be more conservative with my colors as far as like nudes and neutrals, and I went out of my comfort zone just a little bit. Sorry. Hey, stop. It's my cat. Come here, baby. But anyway, if you like this video and you like my baby Zelda, then check out some more other videos and subscribe, like, and have a good day. Thank you.